I'm right here feeding the birds, playing with the birds. Should be so close. I keep doing that. I ain't fucking with y'all no more. Y'all playing too much. Y'all see that from a mile away, don't y'all? They came back. They flew so fast away. Don't fly up here, girl. Come on now. You just be so close. Y'all, they be literally under my feet. So, really I love nature. Look at the sun that's shining. Look at y'all. Here they come. Look at the squirrel. The squirrel came too. Look, everybody wants some. The squirrel wants some nuts too. Look at that squirrel. Where that squirrel go? How y'all? This is what we do in nature. We call in nature. We call in love. We call in peace for everybody. Get some for the little babies because they want some too. I'm about to feed them this whole bag of nuts and buy another one. It's over there, y'all. Where that squirrel? There's a squirrel by me. Look at the squirrel, y'all. That's too, huh? Ooh, the squirrel fighting him. The squirrel fighting him, y'all. The squirrel fighting him like, bitch, y'all getting all the nuts. Where you go? How you go? Humble. Huh. I see the squirrel. Look at the squirrel ain't playing with them, bitch. The squirrel is not playing with them. Like, bitch. You know the nuts. Look, y'all, she won't come up here with me. So she won't come up here. Now y'all want to come up here. Lord, they're getting so close. It's down there, Sherlock. I love nature. Look at him. He's flying. Come on, y'all. It's all over there. That's what it is. Nature. Where the squirrel at? Want some more squirrel? He probably left. I don't know. Ooh, she came up here with me again. Don't take my bag, girl. Go over there. Cause you trying to get my bag. She's like, where's it coming from? Right over here. I'm gonna get y'all one by one now. Y'all eating too much. Trying to show Autumn get some. I think they're getting a lot. Okay, now. I wonder where that squirrel at. I'm trying to fake him out. Like, you can't fake us, bitch. You know we be going something out, you know. Okay, I seen you head up. Get a squirrel, huh? I'm trying to give it to you. I ain't fucking with them motherfucking birds, bitch. Give me mine over here. Come here. Come here. Y'all trying to hit me. I feel y'all on my feet at everything. Y'all see him? Like, yeah, I love you, Sky. Feeding up. Over there, y'all doing too much. Want some more? Want some more? Huh? Ow! Y'all, he scratched me. Oh, y'all, he scratched me. Oh, he scratched me, bitch. I'm done with you motherfuckers. That's enough. That is enough. The squirrel done fucking scratched me, bitch. Oh, his claws off. Bitch, I ain't fucking with you no more. You fucking scratched me, motherfucker. Ooh, I need to get a band-aid and stuff. That's it. I'm done with these. Move! No! No, because that motherfucking has scratched me. Don't do that, Gladys, okay? Call her Gladys, because she just fucking jumped me like it was nothing. She hopped on my leg. Don't do that, girl. It's too bad enough the squirrel to fucking scratch me. Squirrel, I ain't fucking playing with you, bitch. You just scratched the fuck out of me. I try to be nice to your ass. Huh, you fucking ass. Huh, don't scratch me no more. Shit. You really scratching me really bad. And stop attacking the birds. You can't have it all. You scratching me, scratching them. Don't do it, baby. No, not today. Come on. Come on, Gladys. Go over there. Damn, he just scratched the fuck out of me, y'all. I'm still recording. These motherfuckers ready. They keep landing on me, bitch. I'm done.